MotorWeek is made possible by Lucas Oil and TireRack.com.
Now, regular MotorWeek viewers know that we're big fans of General Motors' latest F-body cars, the Chevrolet Camaro and Pontiac Firebird. Earlier this year, we even gave our Driver's Choice Award for Best Convertible to the '95 Firebird. Well, now for '96, all Firebirds have a new standard engine. So what better reason that is, for more top-down testing. Not that there weren't already enough reasons to put this '96 Pontiac Firebird convertible through its paces. We've always felt current F-body styling particularly suited to topless motoring, which validates Pontiac's decision to style and engineer the latest Firebird to accommodate a convertible top from the start. That meant the addition of 13 specific structural members to the chassis and the use of special structural adhesive on 15 key areas, such as the cowl, A-pillar, and rocker panel reinforcements. The result is one of the most flex-free convertible chassis we've ever driven. Even at the track, our test drivers remarked that the Firebird practically drove itself through the cones. Providing power is GM Series 2 3800 V6. Its 3.8 liters now delivers 200 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque. That's 40 horsepower more and 25 more pound-feet of torque than last year's Firebird V6. And grunt enough to whisk our 3,500-pound convertible from 0 to 60 in only 7.9 seconds, and through the quarter mile in 16 seconds flat, ending at 88 miles per hour. Now, these are excellent times for V6 automatic. Specifically, this smart shifting 4-speed electronic automatic, which allows slick weather second gear starts. Top-down operation starts by quickly releasing 2 snap lock latches. Then a single switch takes care of the rest. The top folds itself neatly out of sight, not hindering rear visibility. The 3-piece interlocking boot goes in place fairly easily and is held down by the trunk lid. But our one big criticism of F-body convertible tops is unfortunately still valid. The lack of rear quarter windows makes for large blind spots. Our praise of the Firebird's cockpit and interior design can also be repeated. We also approve of our car's new for '96 top interior color. The well-contoured bucket seats provide good comfort and support. A tilt wheel is standard on all Firebirds. The rear seats look good, but are only child size. The folding seat back provides welcome storage space to augment the truck's 12.9 cubic feet. But that won't concern most convertible buyers, especially considering the Firebird convertible's modest base price of $22,949. Our car's performance package with dual exhaust brought the sticker to $23,484. We'd call that affordable top-down performance without the extra burden of V8 insurance, but with all the other fun items that people buy ragtops for. We expect them to buy 1996 Pontiac Firebird convertibles in large numbers.